Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this lecture, we are going to talk about thunderclient for VS Code. Okay, so before going to talk about thunderclient and VS Code, so I'm going to talk about Postman. What is the use of Postman? Okay, so Postman is a tool in order to test any APIs. We are going to use Postman. See what we are doing here. So there is one API. Okay, HTTPS dummy dot REST API example.com. So the employee number is 5 I'm passing. Okay, 5 or 1, whatever it is. After passing the value, we are getting the response. We are getting the response as 429. Too many requests. Okay, whatever it is, 200 or 500, something like this. Okay, so here you can pass query parameters, body, headers. We can pass. So this is the Postman. But here, suppose I want to create 10 endpoints. Is it possible? Yes, we can do it, but here we need to create an account and we need to create a collection and those kind of things we need to do it. Okay. Suppose this is for get and one for put and one for post. Okay. If something is like that, then definitely you need to create a collection. So that is the best way to test it. Also, that is very easy for reference also. So the API testing, we can use Postman. So this you know already. Now, today we are going to talk about Thunder client. So what is Thunder client here? So this is an alternative way of doing API testing. Okay. So there are many tools. Okay. There are many tools, but today we are going to talk about Thunder client for VS Code. By seeing this diagram, you'll be able to understand. Okay. So how this is going to work. So this is how it will work. Okay. Here we can create collections. Anyway, I'm going to set up this one and I'll show you. So before that, so here we are going to pass get method and click on send. So as soon as if you click send button, so you can able to see status code and the response. Okay. See, this is the collection. Okay, this is the collection. So this way it will work. So in order to set up Thunder client, so what it is required? What are the softwares it is required mainly? So you need to have VS Code first. So you can what you can do, you can go to Google and type VS Code download. Okay, VS Code download. Click on very first link. So if it is Windows, you can select Windows. If it is Mac, you can select Mac. Okay. So based on your operating system, you can download and install. So after installing, you will be able to see this page as soon as if you open. Now, if you observe here, there is one extensions. If you observe this one, okay, there is one button. Okay, there is an option called extensions. So click on this extensions. See here, if you want to practice DataWeave, you can type DataWeave and add that plugin. Okay, add that plugin. See, DataWeave is there. Just you can install. It's already installed in my machine. Okay, fine. Now I want to install Thunder client. So how to do it? So first you can install VS Code, then just type Thunder here. So here you need to install. Okay, so there is one button, it will come actually. So install. So if you want to uninstall, then you can uninstall this one. So as soon as if you install, so here, here you can see one option that is called thunderclient. As soon as if you open, so here you can see thunderclient. See why I'm going to recommend this one. So if you observe, there are 5 endpoints. Okay. See, we are unable to create a collection here. Okay. So the date it is available, but I want to see what is the functionality and what is the collection which we have created. So here there is an option called collections. So here you can create, if you click on this menu, here there is an option called new collection. Okay, you can create collection. Okay, I'm going to create collection as test as of now. Now, here you can click on 3 dots and click on new request, get employees suppose. Okay, this is for get employees. So as soon as if you add this one, you will be able to see here. Now let me take this, get example, and click on send. See, here you can able to see the response. Correct. Now suppose I want to add one more endpoint, like that is called new request, suppose delete employee. You can change delete. So here you can provide your URL and click on send. So this one is giving 405 method not allowed because I'm using different URL, but concentrate on this part. So how we are going to create the request and how we need to create collection. So this way we can create the collection and you can share it with someone also. So that is the main advantage here. That is the main advantage. Okay. Now I want to create one more. You can create new request. Update, suppose I want to keep update employee. Click this one and change this method as put or post, whatever it is based on your requirement. And you can add your URL and save it. So what will happen after some time? Okay, suppose you have closed this one. And once again, if you open VS Code, the collection, it is not going to override or it is not going to delete. It's not going to delete. See, if you click on this Thunder client, so here you can able to see your collection here. Okay, your collection. Suppose you want to import or export. Okay, if you click on this export, you can click this export and save it somewhere. Okay, save it somewhere and share this JSON with your team members so that they can also use your collection. They can also use your collection, whatever you have prepared. Okay. Yep. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.